Habitica users report completing 40% more daily tasks by tracking progress with RPG elements. The Zeigarnik effect shows we remember incomplete tasks better. Todoist uses this, keeping unfinished items visible. Use Todoist's Quick Add shortcut queue to capture tasks fast, then break them down into subtasks to keep them top of mind. This free tier feature maximizes task recall. Building on that, Notion databases help with habit stacking. Connect new habits to existing routines, like tracking after-morning coffee tasks. Set up a simple habit tracker in Notion's free personal plan to link daily actions and build consistency over 21 days. Next, the goal gradient effect motivates us more as we near completion. Habitica, a free RPG-style habit tracker, applies this by awarding experience points and gold for completed tasks. Watch your avatar level up and unlock new gear, keeping you engaged towards larger goals. Social accountability significantly boosts commitment. Todoist allows sharing projects with up to 25 people on its Pro plan, $5 a month, creating shared responsibility. Also, Habitica offers guilds and parties, where letting down teammates provides extra motivation to complete your 5 daily habits. Gamification taps into intrinsic motivation, making tasks enjoyable. Habitica turns habits into RPG quests, offering in-game gold for completing items and boss battles for group challenges. Meanwhile, Todoist's karma points reward consistent task completion, visually tracking your productivity streak. You've learned how Todoist, Notion, and Habitica use psychology, like the Zeigarnik effect, and gamification to help you achieve your goals. Watch our next video on using AI for daily task management.